Natural rubber is the strategic raw material that makes the world move on wheels. It is very difficult to imagine the world without this commodity. Not only in the automotive and transportation sectors, but also in other industries, the appetite for natural rubber is ever increasing. Malaysia has been at the forefront of the research and development of natural rubber through the activities and contribution of the Malaysian Rubber Board, MRB, formerly known as the Rubber Research Institute of Malaysia. The breakthrough in the development of technically specified rubber under the Standard Malaysian Rubber (SMR) scheme further enhanced our position as the leading quality rubber producer among the worldwide consumers. Our products. Our group produces the following two major categories of block rubber: Standard Malaysian Rubber or SMR grades and premium grades under our brand names. The SMR grades are produced according to the specifications developed and monitored by the Malaysian Rubber Board. The SMR grades produced by us are SMR 5, SMR 10, SMR 20 and SMR GP. In order to enhance our market, STG makes available branded premium grades viz. ST5CV, ST10CV, ST20CV, M20R. These are products with value-added additives to meet the additional specific requirements of customers. It provides advantages in terms of process operation, higher productivity and savings in energy cost. History and background. The history of our group can be traced back to the year 1986 when the brothers, led by Mr. Hock Lai, started out the rubber processing business under a partnership with an initial capacity of 3,000 metric tons per annum. Over the years, Seng Fong Trading Sendirian Berhad or SFT and Syarikat Tenaga Gemas Sendirian Berhad or STG were added to our group. With the restructuring and reorganization exercises implemented along the way, presently STG carries out all rubber processing activities of the group, while SFT concentrates on trading activities. The production facilities of STG are located at Gemas Negeri Sembilan. This region has been identified as one of the rubber zones in Peninsular Malaysia. The STG complex is sited on 22.25 hectares of land. At present, it has an installed processing capacity of 150,000 metric tons per annum. Process and technology. As a block rubber processor, STG has up-to-date machinery for improved productivity and minimum wastage. The group has moved away from the conventional low-productivity machinery to a more efficient and effective system to meet customer expectations. The pre-treatment process, utilizing sufficient pre-treatment machines for initial size reduction and to expose the interior of the raw materials for removal of the dirt, is essential. The cleaning pools of water with stirrers for each size reduction machine help to settle the dirt and also provide good blending at the initial stages of production. In addition, the incorporation of submarine scroll to segregate the floating contaminants provides value to the final product. The creppers help to form crepes from granules. The wet crumbs are passed through a series of creppers before the final size reduction through a final shredder. The fine rubber crumbs are sent to a wash tank for further cleaning. The wet rubber crumbs are pumped through to a static screen to be fed into the trolley and passed through the dryer. The dry rubber biscuits are further processed and blended by a series of dry pre-breakers to provide a more consistent and value-added product. The installation of metal conveyors at the packing end is a sign of our commitment to minimize the external contaminants at the packing stage. The dry rubber is weighed in 35 kilograms and pressed into a bale. The bales are wrapped in poly bags and placed in wooden crates for shipment. In addition, shrink-wrap packaging under heavy-duty plastic bases metal bases or friendly pack system is also practiced at the customer's request. The finished goods will be properly stored in the factory warehouse, ready for shipment. Our group's in-house laboratory has been approved by MRB as an authorized SMR laboratory, qualified to conduct tests and analysis on technical specifications and properties, as well as to issue certification for the block rubbers processed by STG. Research and development (R&D) plays a key role for our group in developing and adapting technology to create and commercialize new services and products to meet existing and new customer requirements. Quality assurance. STG adopts a stringent approach to quality management in which quality control starts from the reception through to processing, grading, packing and dispatch. Markets for our products. We market our products to a broad range of internationally well-known tire manufacturers whose manufacturing process require high-quality inputs. Our group believes in and upholds quality and integrity as the core values in the rubber trade. Together, let's build a long-lasting and mutually beneficial business partnership. Syarikat Tenaga Gemas Sendirian Berhad. Customer satisfaction, our total commitment. Quality, excellence, confidence.